Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make columns same width in Google Sheets. So let's say I have column C and I like the width of column C and I want to apply this width to every single one of these columns. What I do is to find out the width of this one column, right click on its heading and click on resize column. Here it is 164. So you can press close, then select all of the columns that you want to change width of, then right click, resize columns, and select and type here the number that you have seen in C column. So for reminder, I will go back and 164. So select, right click, resize columns, 164 and press OK. Right now you can see that the columns are all the same size. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.